Anything from the garden, Petrina?
Yeah, the garden.
We always
I've
like
brought
to
this
ask.
before. This is actually garlic chives. It's
No
very
way!
healthy.
Lovely.
Smell it. You can
So
smell
pretty.
it.
Oh, that is so...
This is so clever. I never think to add
Right.
these things into pancake.
It's a
always
savory
teaching
pancake
us.
because...
And it's got chili here.
Because it's bank holiday.
Hey, that's a lot of
Chili here.
spice you added in. Was that
Yeah.
turmeric a minute ago?
Yeah, it's turmeric. Yeah, it's like a quarter spoon. It's not
And chili.
quarter
Oh, my
teaspoon, sorry.
chilies.
Oh yeah, Shirin wants all the chilies in.
Hello, say
Yeah.
hi to the babies. Carrots.
Yeah, carrots. The
Chef,
this one, like I said, don't flip it too early.
So it takes quite a while to get done, isn't it?
It does. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
because you need... Assalamualaikum and welcome back to the Salam Britain kitchen this time
Yes.
around. And today we are joined by our very own chef, Petrina.
Yay! And she is cooking fiery
Fiery.
Did I say fiery?
You said fury. Fiery.
Chickpea pancakes. Shirin's like, get it right. It's
Because
the one
it's spicy.
word I
Spice.
asked for. Spicy.
Yes.
A tantalising dish that combines the wholesome goodness of chickpeas with a kick of spice. These savoury pancakes are crafted with a blend of chickpea flour, aromatic spices and a dash of heat, creating a mouth-watering culinary experience.
I'm so excited. Can you tell? I'm so excited.
No, I can't tell.
I can't wait for the spice.
Do more.
Whether enjoyed as a satisfying breakfast, a hearty snack, or a flavorful side dish, these pancakes are sure to excite your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Sorry.
See, I don't correct you.
Please correct me. I really can't wait to taste it.
Welcome to Petrina. Great to see you this morning.
Hello.
Always glowing on a bank holiday even.
Yes.
Spicy chickpea
on bank holidays
pancakes
as well. So.
Do you know what? Pancakes, right? I think you chose the right dish on a bank holiday.
Yes.
Sorry, I have to re-emphasize the fact that it's a bank holiday Monday because people are still in bed.
In case you missed it the other 16 times, we're just going to tell you one more time. It's bank holiday.
Only because, Aisha, people are at home today, right? Doing all the housework, ironing,
It's true.
laundry,
It's true.
cleaning up dishes, mopping the floor. But we're here. We're moms.
Sleeping. Our
and
producer reminded us, sleeping before everything.
Resting. Bank holiday is always a restful day, isn't
Yes.
it? But here we are, working mothers, entertaining you. That's why it's really important. Anyways, bank holiday Monday, perfect dish, pancakes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And
it's like
also-
I was brunching. Brunch.
Yeah, brunch, exactly.
Yes.
And I've also chosen a gluten-free one, which is made from chickpea flour.
Very clever.
Yeah.
Well, talk us through it, Petrina.
Okay, so it's mainly chickpeas. I've got chickpea flour here, about a cup or so. You can make more depending on how many people are going to eat. And I've got a bit of water. It's basically like 1 part water to 1 part of the
You're making the
chickpeas.
pancakes live, are you?
Yeah.
You're brave.
I love to
You
see
are
it.
brave.
Yes, I'm
Only
actually
Petrina
a
can do
bit
that.
out of my comfort zone because this is not my specialty.
Yeah.
So.
You've got this. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. So I've melted a bit of coconut oil. You can see like it's about a teaspoon, just to oil the pan a bit.
Why
because this is-
coconut oil?
Vegan.
Just because it's more healthier.
Oh, healthy.
Okay.
Healthier, yeah. So because this is not a non-stick pan, so you just need a bit of oil. Just a little bit, not to like deep fry or shallow fry. It's just to base it.
But of
so
all
that
the
it's good.
options, compared to like butter or any other oil, virgin oil, coconut oil is the best.
It is, yeah.
Okay.
It is, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll make the batter, but you can make it plain, so just plain chickpea pancakes, or like me, I like to add colors. So I've got a mixture of paprika, turmeric, sea salt, and a bit of herbs in it here. And I've chopped up a bit of garlic here, like this, and also the shallots.
Lovely.
A bit of carrots, tomato I'm going to chop up, and spinach leaves. Just to get a bit of green color. I like my colors.
Anything from the garden, Petrina?
Yeah, the garden.
we always
I've
like
brought
to
this
ask.
before. This is actually garlic chives. It's
No
very
way!
healthy.
Lovely.
Smell it. You can
So
smell
pretty.
it.
Oh, that is
We've
so
grown it,
cool.
Yes, I've put it, and a bit of mint as well.
You're going to use that, right?
Yes, I'm going to use it. Definitely.
Nice.
Yeah. So what I'll do is I will just cut up the tomato.
Let's kick off, yeah.
Yeah, it's
And-
tomato. Everything that you cut up, you need to cut it up very finely.
Right.
So that it cooks quickly with the pancake.
Right.
Because I'm just going to mix it with the pancake and actually cook it together.
Oh, clever.
Yeah, as
Perfect.
like a batter.
And while you're chopping that, we're going to try and get the ingredients up for our viewers so that we can have a quick read of them for you. Make sure you take a pic. Shirin, would you like to read the ingredients today?
Oh, yes, Aisha. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to read out the ingredients this morning.
You're welcome.
So, to make spicy chickpea pancakes, 2 cups of chickpea flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, love turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, according to your own taste, I guess, when it comes to salt, 2 cups of room temperature water, 1 red chili, Petrina, I hope it's the actual, the real
Yes.
OG chili, finely diced, 2 spring onions, finely diced, 1 shallot, finely diced, a handful of mature spinach leaves, finely diced. Wow, lots of finely diced stuff. 2 to 3 tablespoons coconut or olive oil, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it. It's really
Nice.
simple. Very. Most of the ingredients, I'm sure you'll get it in your kitchen anyway.
Yeah, open your cupboard right now, viewers, and see how many of these ingredients you actually have.
Is it quite versatile though? You can mix and match.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
You can put whatever other options as well in it as well.
Katrina, the use of cumin seeds, what's the idea behind that?
I love the cumin seeds because it just gives such a nice flavor. Some people don't like it, but I like it. So either cumin seeds or cumin powder if you want to.
Does it have to be cumin? What's the alternative?
You could use like coriander. Coriander seeds are nice as well for me. However, some people I know they don't like it. So
like
maybe
both.
coriander powder and turmeric, paprika. Those are the main base of the ingredients.
I'm a real Asian at heart, like with cooking. Everything, cumin, coriander.
seeds.
Petrina's saying one or the other. I throw
Do
in
you
both.
use fenugreek in your cooking? Do you use
No.
fenugreek? No. Why? Because it smells.
I don't know. I've just never
love
found a
fenugreek.
dish. Yeah, no.
Yeah,
Chef, so
fenugreek
where are
is
you now?
good as well. Fenugreek is good as well, especially if you're having like
I'll try
mucus
it.
in your lungs. It expels the mucus.
Really?
Helps, yeah.
Ah, I should
You
have
can
had
make
that when
it
I was
as,
sick.
you can include it in this dish, like you get the fine fenugreek leaves, or you can also make it like a tea. Just add hot water. To this
Lovely.
thing, yeah.
Right, how are we
fenugreek
getting
tea.
on there, Chef Petrina?
So I'm gonna just mix this this entire powder into this bowl, and just gonna slowly stir in a bit of water, just slowly, so that you can.
How do you know when you've got enough water?
I'll show you actually.
Okay.
It just
we're
needs
gonna
to be
watch now.
not too liquid,
yeah,
but not too like
Thick.
thick as well.
yeah.
So you can see this is like quite thick, so you still need to add a bit more water.
Do you need to use like a whisk to do
You
this?
can, but I've actually done it with a spoon, so it's fine as well.
You know, a
can bring
fork is
whisk,
really
yeah.
good as well.
Fork, yeah, you do that, right?
Yeah. Because the chickpea flour is actually very fine. Some people, if they are fussy, they would actually maybe even sieve the flour.
And the water's just normal temperature?
Yeah, normal temperature, like room temperature.
Yeah.
Not hot water, not cold water. So you can see that's the sort of consistency.
Looks like
you're gonna
porridge.
add. Yeah, a bit like porridge, yeah. So I'm going to add in the tomatoes, chopped tomatoes.
This is so clever. I never think to add
Right.
these things into pancake.
It's
You're
a
always
savoury
teaching
pancake
us.
because
Yeah.
pancake's more like you always associate it with something sweet,
Honey
right?
and
Maple syrup.
berries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then I'm going to add in all the other ingredients. Let's just put in the salt, paprika, and
We're very hungry today, Chef Petrina.
Because of the rain, I think.
imagine, yeah.
Right?
And I've got chili here.
Because it's bank holiday.
Hey, that's a lot of
Chili here.
spice you added in. Was that
Yeah.
turmeric a minute ago?
Yeah, it's turmeric, yeah. It's like a 1/4 spoon. It's not
And chili.
quarter
Oh, my
teaspoon, sorry.
chilies.
Oh, yeah. Shirin wants all the
hello.
chilies in.
Hello, say
Yeah.
hi to the babies. Carrots.
Yeah, carrots, the...
Chef, quick
Yes.
question. You know, carrot, texture-wise, is always hard. So for me, I will always cook the carrot first.
Yeah,
you know?
however, because mine, I've actually chopped it really fine, you'll find that it's going to be cooking quite easily.
Okay.
Yeah, they are tiny, aren't they?
They are tiny, very, very tiny, yeah.
Do you use special equipment to chop them that finely? Or do you just use normal knife?
Yeah, we just use a normal knife. If you want, you can actually put it in the blender as well.
Yes.
So
That would mush it, wouldn't it?
just a little bit more water.
There's some features where you can actually just use as a... Yeah.
So bright. So lovely, the colours you always bring.
And then the last thing I'm going to add is a bit of olive oil, just to make it combine a bit more. So the olive oil, probably like about one large teaspoon like this. That'll be enough.
Okay.
Okay. And the trick is really to actually leave it to set for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, to set for a while,
Yeah.
right.
So what I've done is I've actually done another batch, which I did last night.
Here's one of
Cool
you,
TV
Danielle.
trick.
Yeah.
Cool TV trick.
Yeah.
Always well done,
Yeah.
chef.
Last, but we can also try this one once it's actually.
I don't think one is enough, chef. I think you need more than two. One portion for the crew today.
Exactly.
Especially
exactly.
us.
I want to see how you do it. Like, is it going to be lots of mini pancakes or one big round one?
I'm gonna make it like this pan, probably about maybe two in there. Not really a full one because it's gonna be quite difficult to actually turn over. So, but you can make a big one as well.
Can I
it
just
actually
ask-
tastes a bit like omelette. So if you wanted to have
yes.
like a, what people always do, egg-free omelette and all sorts of other options, that's actually going to be quite nice as well.
I'm just going to ask our producer if I'm actually allowed to be in the kitchen with chef again. Oh, Alhamdulillah.
In Eid
Alhamdulillah.
outfit
In my Eid
203.
outfit.
Yes.
Shirin is off.
Okay, so this pan is.
Yes, I am in my Eid outfit again.
Hello. Welcome back.
I'm now with Chef Petrina.
And your colours are looking so nice
yes,
together.
purple and yellow.
Yes, love those colours.
Right, Chef, what can I help you with? Look at this.
Nothing really. You can just keep
Shirin
stirring if
asked
you want
after
to.
you finished all the chopping. You do realise
Yes,
this, don't you?
So the pan's actually quite hot now.
Okay.
With the bit of.
You test it like that, right?
Yeah, exactly. With
Yeah.
a bit of coconut oil.
Smells so good, Aisha.
Yeah.
You're missing out.
Oh, really?
You're missing out. I tell you
I'll
that
be up
much.
there when it's
Yeah.
cooked, don't worry. You
So
do the hard
that's the
work.
pre-made one, which I did last
That's
night.
a lot more.
Slightly more liquid because I think overnight I actually put it in the fridge.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
overnight it just went, but it doesn't really matter.
Doesn't matter.
So you just take like a big scoop like this, and if you're not too fussy about
I want to see the pan.
exactly round, it's fine. So just
You can
press
actually
that.
shape whatever shape you want it to. You know what I
At the
mean?
end of the day,
Yeah.
you're gonna eat it
there you
anyway.
go.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that's it, and you just leave it to
Oh, it's super tiny. So you're making small portions.
small portions.
Because you're being thoughtful, because there's so many of us today
Exactly.
waiting to share.
Yeah.
So Aisha's like keeping her eyes on the prize.
This is mine.
Yeah, exactly. That
Yeah,
first
you just
one is
wait
mine.
for it to cook, basically. The trick is actually not to turn it over too quickly, so just let it be really. And
Perfect.
yeah.
Absolutely. Now, while that is frying up for us and we wait in anticipation and give it a visit. Now, let's see how we're progressing in the kitchen. How's it going, guys?
It's great. We've done one.
One down,
Yay.
Down. Yeah.
10 to go.
We're going to have a look at that one in a second.
Yes.
And to go. Yeah.
That's the one on the pan, and you've
Yeah.
already served one up, haven't you?
Yeah. That's
How long
one,
does
yeah.
it take? When do you know it's ready?
Well, I've just turned it. You can see it's like brown, brownish. You can see here. So that's really cooked.
Yeah, we're
just
gonna
hold
put
it
up
there again,
a minute.
Katrina, and we're going to see it. Just over the... There you go.
There you go.
Oh, it looks so good. It
Are you
looks
going to
like...
garnish with all the
Yeah,
stuff from
yeah,
your
I'm gonna
garden?
garnish, yeah.
So this is the garlic flour.
Yeah, garlic flour. Yeah, can smell it's really.
What does it look like, Shirin? I'm trying to
looks
work
like
it out.
like
No,
flowers.
the pancake. It looks
Oh.
like...
It looks amazing.
Pancake, yeah. There you go.
I can't
Okay,
in
we're
my
just going
head
to keep
work
it down
out what
there
it looks
because
like.
that's a good shot for it.
Sure.
Do you want to hear a funny story about garlic flour?
By all means, yeah.
So I did I did filming in Serbia
Okay.
a few years ago, and it was in a forest.
Oh.
Yes, I was filming in the forest for a commercial. Don't worry.
right, okay.
As we were approaching the forest, all I could smell was garlic. And guess what? That forest was actually known to be growing garlic plants,
Yeah,
garlic flowers.
yeah.
It was
Wild garlic.
beautiful. I reached there when I was in the car. I was like, wow, look at all those, what, so beautiful, right?
yeah,
This is like
it
the
is.
proper enchanting looking forest.
Yeah.
And then you open the door and all you can smell is garlic.
Lovely.
Seriously. So, yeah, we were surrounded by the smell of strong garlic smell throughout filming.
Amazing.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was an
Amazing.
experience.
Do you know, I can really smell the aromas coming over now, and it's starting to make me hungry.
So wonderful.
So basically, this one, like I said, don't flip it too early.
So it takes quite a while to get done, isn't it?
It does, yeah, it does. Yeah.
Because you need to cook through
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
batter
Yeah, it's
and
quite
all
thick,
the
isn't it?
ingredients. And we got carrots in this, don't forget. So that
Yeah.
needs to be softened as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's where the oil comes in.
But while that's getting ready, we will go through the ingredients one more time for our viewers. 2 cups of chickpea flour. You can take a quick pick if you see it. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt in accordance to your taste. 2 cups of room temperature water. 1 red chilli, finely diced.
I'll join you shortly.
2 spring onions, finely diced. A shallot, finely diced. And a handful of mature spinach leaves, finely diced. And finally, you need 2 to 3 cups of coconut oil.
Cups,
2 to 3
tablespoons.
cups.
That's a lot of oil, Aisha. Tablespoons,
Imagine
viewers.
if it was cups, though.
Don't use cups. Please don't use cups.
Look, it's bank holiday in case you didn't realise. And I'm checking if Shirin's awake. That's why I did that.
I'm awake. I'm awake.
I know.
You're testing me. She's testing me.
Anyway,
well done,
look,
Aisha.
those pancakes are happening, aren't they? Look at
yes.
that. It looks so good. It looks so good. We're going to get up there and give it a go.
Right, so while
Lovely.
Aisha is getting ready to get up and just rummage through the pancakes that we have today made by Chef Petrina, we would like to, we hope you have enjoyed today's show. I have.
Yes.
And
right, we're going to have a final look in the kitchen before we leave you.
Before we
just
leave
to see
you.
how those pancakes are going.
Yeah, the pancakes are ready. So we've got 2
Lovely.
here. And you just have to dish it up, basically.
do we need to eat yogurt or anything with that?
You
Petrina?
can if you want to. However, I haven't actually brought any, but it's normally tasty as it is.
Yeah.
It's a bit like an omelette without the eggs, and
You can have it with any sauce as well, right?
you can.
Exactly. Perfect. Would you add an egg into it?
Not if you're vegan.
You can, but not for vegan.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So, yeah. You can,
Yeah, don't
like say,
forget.
anything that works, is flexible. My recipes are all flexible anyway, so.
Perfect.
Thank you, Chef Petrina, for being with us today. Always amazing to have you. We'll see you next Monday. Now.